Today, we embark on a journey to create serene and joyful spaces within our homes, focusing on areas that might pose unique challenges for seniors. We'll delve into 17 common clutter culprits, exploring each item's impact on the overall energy of a home. From stacks of old magazines to unused kitchen gadgets, we'll uncover potential hazards and discover practical solutions for decluttering with care and respect for cherished memories. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to join our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Our first stop brings us to the most used room in the home, the living room. Often, we find stacks of old magazines and newspapers, each holding the promise of past enjoyment. Holding on to outdated reading materials not only clutters our physical space, but can also prevent us from embracing new experiences and information. Take a moment to appreciate the joy these magazines and newspapers once brought. Then consider letting go of those that no longer serve you. Recycle them, share them with others, or simply discard them with gratitude for the joy they provided. Next, let's turn our attention to the often overlooked coffee table. While these surfaces offer a place to display cherished items, they can easily become cluttered with knickknacks, creating visual chaos. If an item no longer holds meaning or adds to the peaceful ambiance, it's time to consider its purpose. Remember, a clutter-free coffee table invites moments of peace and relaxation. Now, let's move into the heart of the home, the kitchen, where nourishment and sustenance take center stage. Our pantries, often filled with the promise of delicious meals, can easily become repositories for expired food items. Holding on to expired food not only takes up valuable space but can also pose health risks. It's essential to regularly check expiration dates and discard anything past its prime. Organize remaining items in a way that makes you happy and makes meal preparation a more joyful experience. Our exploration of the kitchen continues as we examine the array of gadgets often accumulated over the years. While some tools bring joy and efficiency to our cooking, others may sit unused, taking up valuable space. Do we truly use that electric can opener? Or does it spark a twinge of guilt each time we open the drawer? Remember, decluttering is about surrounding ourselves with items that support our current lifestyle. Donate unused gadgets, or, if they no longer make you happy, let them go with gratitude for their service. Let's step into the sanctuary of the bedroom, a space dedicated to rest and rejuvenation. Often we find chairs or even the floor covered in piles of clothes, disrupting the serene energy of this room. Holding on to clothes that no longer fit or suit our style can lead to feelings of negativity and clutter our minds as well as our physical space. Donate or discard those that no longer serve you, creating a more peaceful and organized haven for rest. A clutter-free bedroom invites restful sleep and positive energy. Our bedroom journey continues with a peek into the linen closet. While this space is meant to house comforting essentials, it can become a holding ground for old, unused bedding and linens. Holding on to faded or worn-out bedding can prevent us from experiencing the true comfort and joy of a good night's rest. Take stock of your linen closet, discarding or donating items that no longer work for you. Invest in fresh, inviting linens that enhance your sleep experience and bring a sense of peace to your bedroom. Our pursuit of tidiness leads us now to the bathroom, a space dedicated to personal care and hygiene. However, often our medicine cabinets and drawers become repositories for expired medications and toiletries. Expired products not only lose their effectiveness, but can also pose potential health risks. It's crucial to regularly check expiration dates and dispose of these items properly. Organize remaining items in a way that looks great and transforms your bathroom into a sanctuary of self-care. Our bathroom exploration continues as we focus on the countertops, often cluttered with an array of products. While having essential toiletries within reach is convenient, an overabundance of items can create visual chaos and make it difficult to find what we need. Assess each item, asking yourself if it truly needs to be displayed, or if it could be stored more discreetly. Consider utilizing drawer organizers or decorative trays to maintain order while keeping your most used items within reach. A clutter-free countertop can transform your bathroom routine into a more peaceful experience. Let's venture now to the hallway, the welcoming entryway to our homes. Often, this space becomes a catch-all for shoes and coats, creating a sense of disarray upon entering. Take a moment to assess your collection, asking yourself which items you truly use and enjoy. Donate or discard those that are worn out, no longer fit, or no longer make you happy. Consider investing in a shoe rack or coat stand to keep remaining items organized and create a more welcoming entryway. Before we move on, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. As we continue our journey through the hallway, let's turn our attention to the decor. While our homes should reflect our personalities and memories, clinging to outdated or unused decor items can hinder the flow of positive energy. Take a moment to appreciate the items that currently bring you joy, and consider whether any pieces no longer resonate with your style. Donating or repurposing outdated decor allows you to refresh your space and create a more harmonious environment. Our tidying journey now takes us to the garage, a space often used for storage and hobbies. Over time, garages can become cluttered with unused tools and equipment, creating a sense of chaos and making it difficult to find what we need. Do we truly use that rusty toolbox, or does it spark a pang of guilt each time we stumble upon it? Remember, decluttering is about creating space for the things that matter most. Donate or discard tools and equipment that are no longer used, making room for hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Our exploration of the garage continues as we address a common source of clutter: old paint cans and hazardous materials. These items not only take up valuable space, but also pose potential risks to our health and the environment. Contact your local waste management facility for guidelines on proper disposal methods in your area. Remember, a clutter-free garage is not just about aesthetics, but also about creating a safe and healthy environment. Let's now step into the closet, a space often filled with a mix of cherished garments and forgotten items. Holding on to clothes that no longer fit or reflect our personal style can create a sense of stagnation and prevent us from embracing our evolving selves. As you examine each item in your closet, ask yourself if it sparks joy and makes you feel confident and comfortable. Donate gently used clothing to those in need, or if items are no longer wearable, discard them responsibly. A clutter-free closet filled with clothes you love will make getting dressed each morning a joyful experience. Let's continue exploring the closet as we address those often overlooked spaces: the shelves. While shelves offer valuable storage space, they can easily become cluttered with miscellaneous items, creating visual chaos. Group similar items together, using baskets or boxes to maintain order and create visual harmony. Remember, a clutter-free closet is a reflection of a clear and organized mind. Take the time to create a space that sparks joy and makes finding what you need effortless. Our tidying journey now takes us to the office, a space dedicated to productivity and organization. However, often our desks and filing cabinets become overwhelmed with piles of old paperwork and documents, creating a sense of chaos and hindering our ability to focus. Sort through each document, discarding those that are no longer needed, such as outdated receipts or expired coupons. Invest in a filing system that works for you, whether it's traditional file folders, digital storage solutions, or a combination of both. Remember, a clutter-free office promotes a clear and focused mind, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively. Our office exploration continues as we address the ever-evolving world of technology. Outdated electronics and tangled cables not only create visual clutter, but can also become a source of frustration and wasted energy. Donate or recycle outdated or unused electronics responsibly to minimize their environmental impact. Organize remaining cables and cords, labeling them clearly to avoid confusion. A clutter-free and organized workspace will enhance your productivity and create a more peaceful and enjoyable work environment. As our journey through the home comes to a close, it's important to remember that tidying is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing practice. Establish a regular cleaning routine that works for you, whether it's a quick tidy up each evening or a more thorough cleaning session once a week. Enlist the help of family or friends if needed, transforming cleaning from a chore into a shared activity. Remember, a clean and organized home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that supports your well-being and brings you joy. Embrace the process of tidying as an act of self-care, honoring your home as a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the home, uncovering hidden sources of clutter and discovering the transformative power of tidying. Remember, our goal is not just to create a clean and organized space, but to cultivate an environment that sparks joy and supports our overall well-being. As you implement these tips, approach each task with mindfulness and intention, appreciating the opportunity to create a home that reflects your values and brings you a sense of peace. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Together, let's create homes that reflect the peace, joy, and abundance we seek in our lives. Leave us a comment below telling us about your personal decluttering journey. We'll see you in the next video.